so I just wanted to talk about this heating pad that I have been using. It is a portable, cordless heating pad that you can wear along your abdomen. This has been great for cramping, for lower back pain. You could use it for any other types of pain that you're having, even if it's arthritis, lots of uses. So this is the main unit and what it looks like. So it comes with that. The control box that's going to hook up to that main unit so you can do your heat settings on there. It has a smart sense like heating chip in here, so it's not going to overheat. It's got the charging cord that comes with it, and then your user guide, super easy, simple step-by-step instructions on how to use it. I have been loving this, and so I'm going to actually throw it on and show you guys how easy it is to use. So it just velcros on super easily in the back. You're going to wear that over your abdomen area. This is going to slide right in there on the side. You're going to hear it click. And then to turn on the device, you're going to hold in the power button. You can see that it's turning on. It's going to go through what your temperature is at, your battery. You can change the heat setting. So there's multiple settings you can choose to do. To turn the device off, you just have to hold it in again. So this is a great product. It is super easy to use, very portable, sleek, stylish. It is a very soft material. So as you can see, I can put a jacket on over the device. You don't even see it. So this you can wear out and about. You can wear it to work. You can also just throw it in your bag if you want to travel with it or bring it with you anywhere. It would make a great gift. If you guys are looking for a great, easy, portable heating pad, go check this one out.